Hey everyone, I'm so excited to show you this. I can't believe I haven't pulled this out earlier. So, if you're familiar with Scan Power, once a shipment is created, which appears in this center column, there's going to be an unpacked list, things that have not been packed into boxes yet. Scan Power has two workflows for packing, actually more than two, but two views of the packing. One is the box view, one is the SKU view. Um, but we have this notion of an unpacked list. So this is useful to track the things that have not yet been packed. And a feature request we got a few months ago that we completed was when you pack something from the unpacked list, you can print the box label as you complete the packing. So that speeds it up, means one less step. And that also works if we take this FNSKU for this item and we plop it into the global search bar. Let's just go ahead and clear all the search context. So this could be across one shipment or across multiple shipments. If you search for that in the global context, we're going to show you a packing view or an unpacked list, and that can be used as well to both pack it and print the box label if you have that checked, which is sticky. So let us know how you like that. Thanks for watching.